Okay, so welcome back. Now I'm gonna actually put down my starter fertilizer today. Let me show you. I'm gonna use the Scott's Turf Builder starter fertilizer. It also has a pre-emergent in it. I explained it in another video. The active ingredient in this is mesotrione, the same active ingredient that's in tenacity. So basically, I already sprayed the yard with tenacity, but I'm gonna double down. I'm gonna use the starter fertilizer. It also has the tenacity mesotrione active ingredient inside of it. I need 8 pounds. It's actually 4 pounds per 1,000 square feet. So this bag I was using already, it has about a little over about 9 pounds in it. It's like give or take. So this is pretty much what I'm gonna do today. We're almost finished, so I'm gonna put down starter fertilizer. Usually a lot of people like to put down the starter fertilizer at the same time they actually do their seeding. Some people actually like to wait maybe 7 days before they put the starter fertilizer down. It's really no real direct way to do it, as long as you get it down before the seeds actually germinate. So 7 days after seeding is actually pretty fine. This actually has, let's see, yep, the analysis on this is a 21-22-4. So you want to get your starter fertilizer down before the seeds actually germinate, because you want to have that the nutrients already ready, and basically for the seeds, so they can grow the strong roots and have that nitrogen inside. So it's basically a feeding for the seeds to actually germinate. So let's go ahead and do that now. And I am gonna introduce the backyard for the first time to Milorganite. The backyard here never had a dose of Milorganite applied to it. So I'm also gonna apply some organics. Well, it's not really organic anymore, but it used to be considered organic fertilizer. They took the name off. So pretty much that's it. So this is a 640, and this is actually an older bag actually that I had, because it's 36 pounds. They don't make 36-pound bags anymore. So, and it's there's enough in here. Pretty much covers 2,500 square feet. Well, one bag covers 2,500 square feet. So I may have to open up another bag and so I can have enough coverage, but we'll see what happens. Let's get the spreader. Uh-oh, I ran out. So I'll be right back. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I finished putting down my starter fertilizer. I finished putting down Milorganite. I went a little extra heavy on the Milorganite, but that's okay, because Milorganite, it would not hurt your lawn, it wouldn't burn anything, it wouldn't kill anything. So it's just adding some extra organic matter into the lawn, and my lawn never had any kind of Milorganite introduced into it, so this is the first time. So I'm okay going a little heavy this time. So that's pretty much it. Got everything down. So now stay tuned for the grand finale. Take care.